Increasing productivity in life. Strategies for success. Productivity is the key to achieving success in various aspects of life, including career, relationships, and personal growth. Being productive enables individuals to manage their time effectively, prioritize tasks, and accomplish their goals. In this article, we'll explore strategies for increasing productivity in life, including time management techniques, goal-setting methods, and habits that promote efficiency. Understanding productivity. Productivity is the ability to produce high-quality work or achieve goals efficiently and effectively. It involves managing time, energy, and resources to maximize output and achieve desired outcomes. Productivity is essential for success in various areas of life, including 1. Career. Productivity is crucial for career advancement, as it enables individuals to complete tasks, meet deadlines, and achieve professional goals. 2. Relationships. Productivity can help individuals build strong relationships by allowing them to prioritize time with loved ones, communicate effectively, and manage responsibilities. 3. Personal growth. Productivity can facilitate personal growth by enabling individuals to set and achieve goals, develop new skills, and improve their overall well-being. Time management techniques. Effective time management is essential for increasing productivity. Here are some techniques to help you manage your time more efficiently. 1. Prioritize tasks. Identify the most important tasks and prioritize them based on their urgency and importance. 2. Create a schedule. Create a schedule that includes dedicated time for tasks, breaks, and leisure activities. 3. Use a planner or calendar. Use a planner or calendar to keep track of appointments, deadlines, and important dates. 4. Avoid multitasking. Focus on one task at a time to avoid distractions and ensure that you're completing tasks efficiently. Goal-setting methods. Setting clear goals can help you stay focused and motivated. Here are some methods to help you set effective goals. 1. Set SMART goals. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals that align with your values and priorities. 2. Break down large goals. Break down large goals into smaller, manageable tasks to help you stay focused and motivated. 3. Create an action plan. Create an action plan that outlines the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. 4. Track your progress. Track your progress regularly to stay motivated and make adjustments to your goal-achieving strategy. Habits that promote efficiency. Developing habits that promote efficiency can help you increase your productivity. Here are some habits to consider. 1. Create a morning routine. Start your day with a consistent morning routine that sets the tone for productivity. 2. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help you stay energized and focused throughout the day. 3. Get enough sleep. Get enough sleep to ensure that you're well rested and able to tackle tasks with energy and focus. 4. Stay organized. Stay organized by using tools like to-do lists, calendars, and planners to keep track of your tasks and responsibilities. Overcoming procrastination. Procrastination can be a significant obstacle to productivity. Here are some strategies to help you overcome procrastination. 1. Break down tasks. Break down large tasks into smaller, manageable chunks to make them feel less overwhelming. 2. Create a deadline. Create a deadline for completing a task to help you stay focused and motivated. 3. Use the Pomodoro technique. Use the Pomodoro technique, which involves working in focused 25-minute increments, followed by a 5-minute break. 4. Reward yourself. Reward yourself for completing tasks or reaching milestones to help stay motivated. Conclusion. Increasing productivity in life requires a combination of effective time management, goal setting, and habits that promote efficiency. By understanding the importance of productivity and implementing strategies to improve it, individuals can achieve their goals, build strong relationships, and improve their overall well-being. Recommendations. If you're looking to increase your productivity, here are some recommendations. 1. Prioritize your tasks. Identify the most important tasks and prioritize them based on their urgency and importance. 2. Create a schedule. Create a schedule that includes dedicated time for tasks, breaks, and leisure activities. 3. Use a planner or calendar. Use a planner or calendar to keep track of appointments, deadlines, and important dates. 4. Develop habits that promote efficiency. Develop habits like creating a morning routine, exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, and staying organized to help you stay productive.